Yes, people, and in this video we gonna look how to make a prevention on your iMac for your kids. So if you want them only to go to specific websites, we go look how to do it, and we go look into the controls. Well, what you have to do is first you go to your settings, system preferences, and well, I need to push this away. Then you have at the bottom left, you see parental control. We have to click that. Then we need to lock this button to make some changes. I type in my password for my computer. Yes, and then you hear the sound, the lock is open, and we can make some changes. We need to add a new parental control. We need to make a new user account, and if you have already a user account, you have it already here. Well, for now you can make a new one, or you can use the guest user. So if you want to make a new one, you press here, and well, we can change the age here. But let's say our kid is 4+. So we make this one kid 1. It's just an example. Account name will be kid 1. Of course, you can press the name, type the name here, and we can make a password like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, we verify it 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, you can make a password hint if your kid forgets the passwords every time. First 4 digits. Well, for example, create user, and it takes a while to when you see the account. Well, now we have kid 1. You have 6 different tabs. You can allow some apps, so you can choose if your kid can allow the camera, or joining game center, or use your limit mail contacts. So you can press it on or off, and you can manage it. You can do so many different settings, and you can hear this is one of the most important. The most important tab. You can allow the web functions. So allow access to only these websites. Your kid can allow only these websites, and you can add a website pressing here website title, and you can add the address, and your kid can only add this kind of websites. That's pretty nice. Stores. Disable iTunes, restrict music with explicit content. So that's very nice. Restricts apps for 4+, or restricts apps for 70+. Books with explicit sexual content. Well, and more other settings you can set up. So you can go look here, and if you have any questions, please ask us in the description, and we help you. But for now, I think we give you an insight in the parental controls for on iMac. Yes, so see you in the next video. If you like this video and if I helped you, please hit the subscribe button. See you. Bye-bye.